40 in the freezer. And the ice is super slowly creeping its way down the bottle. So I bet if I open it, it'll just shoot ice all the way down. If I can do it with one hand. Ah, shit. Oh, it's gonna reach the bottom.
Three,
man, nope.
2, 1. Self-destruct sequence activated.
Nope. Just gonna continue to crawl to the bottom. This liquid turning into ice. Extremely slow. Yep. And now the whole 40 ounces is full of ice. Awesome. Now I can't drink it. Yes, delicious. Mmm. Delicious. Delicious. Hopefully we're recording now for the 5th fucking time. Check out my plant, and the spider's making a spider web in the sunset. Let's look at it. Shh, you're good. You're good. What? Meow. Meow. Being weird? Yes, you are. Okay, there goes the new plant. I don't even know what it's called, but it's pretty hot looking. Alright. And then we come over here and we got this little jerk spider making a spider web in the sunlight, so he's just glowing. It's pretty cool. I don't know if it'll let me zoom in on him. Shh, you're okay. Let's see. Yup. A weird little sunset spider. I can't zoom in on him at all. Sucks. Alright, whatever. It's just a random video, so here it is.